everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri, and I just making this video because of this gap down and market has done the selling, but everyone is like in bearish mode right now, but market will be going to trap at you, especially in Bank Nifty, because this 48 500 or 400 area is acting as a good support. So here I am not looking for a particularly selling. I will be looking for a one bounce. So one bounce is expected till the yesterday's closing. You can take your target, which is 49 280 would be your area to book your profit, because this is a kind of V-shaped recovery I'm expecting in Bank Nifty, especially because it has given a selling, which was like I have found in Bank Nifty yesterday, and I have taken puts in the closing bell, and which is giving me like a beautiful target and a handsome amount. So here I'm not analyzing say more selling. For more selling in the coming days, we need to like maybe a V-shaped recovery or kind of a bounce is expected at here. Then we will be going to like judge at here, or maybe like 130 somewhere we will again getting a selling kind of, and it will be going to make a this bottom again to touch. So we will be getting an opportunity in the second half, but this time you need to look for a because mass psychology is looking for a selling. So here just go against with the like my mass psychology, and you need to be make longs at here. I am already in a long with 48 400 support, and I will be looking for this yesterday's closing. I will be going to book. So these are like these just a gap filling kind of trade you can look for, and especially in Nifty is also making a support at here. So this 23 100 is acting as a good support. So here you can also make long position till the Bank Nifty is making a kind of price action. So yesterday's closing maybe your target, which is 23 280 you can take, or 23 290, this would be your target. I'm not like expecting much more than this. So this kind of price action we will be going to play in a V shape recovery, and again I will be like more confident to make a selling at here at this particular place kind of. But till then we are just making this move. I am just making this video and it is giving a V-shaped recovery, so you will be going to miss, I think, this opportunity, because this is a quick kind of reversal I'm expecting till the supports, which is like till the resistance, which is yesterday's closing. So this is a kind of gap filling we are going to play, and this always used to expect. I am like having experience. Fridays always used to work like this. It will be just a trap. Firstly, it will be giving you a selling trap in these candle, and now it will be going for a V-shaped recovery. And then we will be going when you are going for a buy, then it will be going for a selling. This kind of price action have works in Fridays. So this is a completely, and Reliance again will be going to test this 1300 level. This is possible. So in this way you can look for a recovery, but just take it this recovery for an intraday basis and book your profit and make a side. Don't like hold your profit in the buy side for a long, because market in sale on rise on a like higher time frame, so you will be going to trap. So particularly in these supports, these are the golden zone for Bank Nifty. So look for a like buy at these particular places, and making long makes you profitable. And then when it's going to reach to the like resistance, which is gap filling and as well, so somewhere 130 or 280 is possible, then we will again look for a selling. So don't here like go for a buy at these resistance. You need to find an opportunity for the selling, and we will be getting a trend in the selling side, I think, for the closing bell. And this kind of price action always Fridays used to work. So we will be looking for this particular opportunity, and India VIX is tremendously going for a like higher side, so which is good for option buyers. Like it is going for 16, then a big move is expected in our indices and any of the sides. So maybe a B-shaped recovery we can see till that 23 310 or 290 area. 300 maybe you can take 23,300, from 23,100 to 23,300. This would be possible because everyone is in the selling side at here na, so maybe it will be going to trap these people particularly. And for the target of 23,300 you can take, and here you can also plan for the like next half for the selling side. And in the same way you need to take this opportunity for the buy side from 48,400 till 49,280, the closing bell. And then you can also look for a selling in the like 130 or somewhere around 1230. We will be again see a selling. This kind of price action will be gonna happen in next few hours. So be ready for this and be ready for V-shaped recovery. These are the golden zone. So try to make longs at here in Bank Nifty especially, and do it on like square off in the like intraday. Only don't hold it for a long because market in the selling zone according to weekly and daily chart.